how to create and schedule a post in Buffer. So first is just simply navigate to this new button here on the top right, click on it, then click on post. After that, just simply select the account that you want to post in. So let's say I just want to post in my LinkedIn account. So you could post in multiple accounts if you want, but for me, I'm just going to go with my LinkedIn account. After that, just simply put whatever you want to post or share. So you could drag and drop a file if you want. You can also select media from integrations like Canva, Dropbox, Google Drive, Google Photos, OneDrive, and Unsplash. You could also add emojis. You also have your AI assistant right here. But for me, I'm just going to test it out. So I'm going to type in test. Then here at the bottom, you will see the schedule post option. And if you click on this drop down menu, you could either pick from next available, which is use the next available posting slot in your queue. Next is prioritize, so bump your post to the top of the queue. Next is now, which will publish your post right away. Or you could also set a time and date. So you could choose a specific time to post. So let's say I want to go with this one. And here you will just simply need to select the date and time. So let's say you want to post it for later. So currently it is 9 a.m. And let's say I want to post it right 12 p.m. later, just like that. You could just simply click on it to edit it out. But for me, I'm good with 12 p.m. Then click on schedule post. And as you can see, it is set to be published on 12 p.m. and you will see the details of your post right here. And if ever you want to publish your post immediately, you just simply need to click on publish now right there. And that is how you basically create and schedule a post in Buffer.